In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Thieve and SaleSource. Now, whether you're running dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or anything else, picking the right tool to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors can be a complete game changer for your business. At the same time, if you pick the wrong tool, that is a really good way to waste a lot of time and a lot of money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to help you make the right decision. I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription, automation features, and much more. Now, for your convenience, I've included the links to both of them in the description below so you can check them out. And now let's get started. Thieve stands out with its visually driven product discovery interface, which is particularly appealing for users who prioritize aesthetic and trending products. The platform primarily focuses on products with high potential for social media appeal and consumer interest, showcasing them through high quality images and user ratings. However, it does lack some of the deeper filtering options that you get with other tools. Instead, focuses on simplicity and visual appeal. What about the market analysis? Well, market analysis in Thieve is somewhat limited compared to more analytical tools. It provides basic information on popularity and trends through user engagement and likes on the platform. This approach is useful for quickly gauging customer interest, but it does not offer deep dive data like competitive analysis or detailed sales projections. What about integration with other platforms? Well, Thieve offers straightforward integration with Shopify, allowing users to easily import products they identify on the platform. However, its integration features are not as extensive or versatile as some other tools that also support WooCommerce and other e-commerce platforms. What about supplier database? Well, Thieve does not provide a dedicated supplier database or detailed supplier information because that's not its focus. It focuses primarily on product discovery from AliExpress. Users looking for an in-depth supplier vetting and relationship might not like this aspect of Thieve, but let's talk about their pricing and profitability tools. The platform includes basic tools to estimate your potential profit in your business. However, these tools aren't quite as robust or detailed as some of the more comprehensive dropshipping tools, which I've talked about on this channel in other videos, where users can adjust various costs and logistics considerations and help decide which product is better for them. As far as user interface and ease of use goes, Thieve excels in its user interface, which is clean, modern, and exceptionally user-friendly. The emphasis on visual presentation makes it really easy and enjoyable for new users to browse and select products based on visual appeal and market trends. Now, one of the most important things is customer support and community. Customer support is available through email. It might not be as immediate as platforms offering live chat support. Thieve has a growing community on social media, and it fosters a network of people who share tips and product success. So if you want to be part of a good community of people that are willing to share information with you, Thieve is a great one. Now, what about their pricing structure? Well, Thieve operates on a subscription basis with different tiers that cater to different needs depending on your user engagement. Now, they do have a free version that you can actually sign up and try out using the link in the description. But after that, they do have a pro plan that currently costs $49 a month. And so you can actually try that out for free right now using the link in the description. What about automation features? Well, automation features in Thieve are minimal, with the main focus being on product discovery rather than the full spectrum of dropshipping operations like automated order processing or inventory management. Now let's talk about their analytics and reporting. Thieve provides minimal analytics and reporting features. It focuses more on curation and presentation of products rather than the detailed business intelligence. Now, if you're interested in using Thieve on your phone Unfortunately, they don't have a mobile app at this moment, but that might change in the future. As far as customer reviews and feedback, user feedback for Thieve is generally positive, particularly for its ease of use interface and appealing product selection, but some users do express that they'd like to have more comprehensive features like enhanced market analysis and better integration options. Overall, Thieve is a solid option for dropshippers who prioritize a visually appealing, easy to use platform for discovering trending products on AliExpress. While it offers excellent product curation, it may not satisfy people looking for detailed analytics or extensive e-commerce platform integration. Its appeal lies in its simplicity and focus on visual discovery, making it ideal for new people that are trying dropshipping. If you're a new beginner, if you want to start a dropshipping business, then Thieve would really be a great tool that you can use to get you started. SaleSource excels in product discovery, offering a rich array of tools that helps users identify trending products across major e-commerce platforms, whether it's AliExpress, Shopify, and others. The platform provides deep insights into product popularity, seasonal trends, and niche-specific opportunities, enabling users to make data-driven decisions about their product lines. What about market analysis? Well, market analysis with SaleSource is robust, featuring detailed insights into product demand, competitive analysis, and pricing strategies. Users can access real-time data on how similar products perform, which is critical for adjusting marketplace strategies and to ensure that you are competitive with your pricing. But how does it integrate with other platforms? SaleSource offers excellent integration capabilities, especially if you're using Shopify. Users can seamlessly import products into their Shopify stores and synchronize inventory and pricing updates. While it primarily focuses on Shopify, you can also use the valuable data on other e-commerce platforms that you get from SaleSource. What about the supplier database? One of SaleSource's standout features is its comprehensive supplier database. The platform not only identifies suppliers but also provides detailed reviews and reliable ratings. This is super useful for dropshippers that are looking to establish secure and profitable supplier relationships. As far as the pricing and profitability tools go, you get advanced tools for calculating your potential profitability, taking into account various costs such as product price, shipping fees, and potential retail prices. This allows users to forecast their profit margins accurately and make informed pricing decisions. But what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of SaleSource is clean and intuitive. New users can find it easy to navigate with well-organized menus and clear, actionable insights. The platform's design is focused on enhancing user experience and making complex data accessible and understandable. So what about their customer support and community? SaleSource offers robust customer support through multiple channels, including live chat, where you can click this help button right here. You can also email them, and they also have a detailed FAQ section. Additionally, it fosters a community of users through its forums and social media groups, where people typically share their tips and best practices, so it's a pretty good community. But now let's talk about what you're probably really interested in, which is their pricing structure, so how much it costs. As you can see, you can pay monthly or yearly. If you pay yearly, you can save a substantial amount of money no matter which plan you use. And so if we look at the plans, you get the starter at $89 a month, professional at $98, advanced at $399, and elite at about $1,000 a month. If you pay yearly, all of these drop, and so you can see what's included in each one of them. I've actually included the link in the description if you want to try it out. They do have a free trial. So what about their automation features? Because that can really make or break your dropshipping business. So SaleSource integrates several automation features like auto syncing of product data, as well as alerts for price changes or new supplier reviews. These features help streamline your operations and and keep the business responsive to the changes in market. What about the analytics and reporting? The analytics and reporting capabilities of SaleSource are really good. They're comprehensive. They offer detailed reports on sales trends, product performance, and market opportunities, which are crucial if you want to be strategic with your business and your growth. Now, unfortunately, they don't have a mobile app that you can use. So if you do prefer to manage your business on the go on your phone, then you can't really do that with SaleSource. But more than likely, you're probably using your laptop or computer anyway, so that shouldn't matter. But what do users of SaleSource have to say about it? What kind of reviews and feedback do they get? Well, generally, the feedback for SaleSource is quite positive, especially its in-depth product and supplier insights, as well as the user interface. People like that. Some users have expressed a desire for broader platform support beyond Shopify and also a mobile app for on-the-go management, but that's something that might get added in the future. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.